Guys, it's game time. Who doesn't love a good game? So here we go. My question today is, would you rather get a $5,000 tax refund or keep an extra $400 in your paycheck every month? Sounds like a no-brainer, right? But sadly, most people get this completely backwards, and it could be costing you thousands of dollars. So by the time we're done, you'll know exactly how to keep more of your money and, more importantly, avoid making one of the biggest tax mistakes that's out there. But first, are you the type to get a big refund, or do you end up owing the IRS? Drop it in the comments below, please. So, you know that feeling when you get a fat tax refund and it feels like you've just won the lottery? Well, hate to break it to you, but that's your money. The government just borrowed it from you for free. You basically gave Uncle Sam a 12-month interest-free loan, and now he's very kindly returning what was already yours in the first place. But meanwhile, the IRS have been earning interest on your money while you've been struggling to afford that extra guac at Chipotle. And what does the IRS do with all that extra money, I hear you ask? Well, it funds programs, it pays debts, and it invests, but not for you. Meanwhile, you could have been using that cash to pay off debt, invest, or just have a little more breathing room every single month. Now, on the flip side, I have heard some financial gurus tell you it's better to owe the IRS at tax time because you keep more of your money year round. And yeah, guess what? In theory, that actually makes a lot of sense. But in reality, it's a very risky game. See, I don't know if you've forgotten, but the IRS doesn't play around. You miss a payment, boom, penalties and interest. You ignore them, bam, wage garnishments. You think they forgot? Surprise! They'll take your refund next year. See, the IRS is basically the worst loan shark ever, except they don't break your legs, they just break your bank account. I don't know which is better. So, what's the smart move here? Well, the smart move is you want to break even. That means no huge refund, no massive tax bill, just a nice balanced tax return where you pay exactly what you owe and not a single penny more. Now, here's how to do it in steps. First step, adjust your W-4. If you're getting huge refunds, you're overpaying in taxes. Change your withholding allowances so you take home more every single paycheck. Number two, plan for self-employment taxes. Now, if you're a freelancer, a gig worker, or a business owner, my advice is to set aside around 25 to 30% of your earnings so you don't get hit with that surprise tax bill. Number three, use tax advantage accounts. So max out your 401k, your IRA, or your HSA to lower taxable income, because less taxable income means less tax owed. Number four, track your deductions. Don't just guess. If you work from home, you drive for a business, or you have student loans, those deductions all add up. On to number five. This is important. Make estimated payments. If you're in a situation where you might owe, making quarterly tax payments can keep the penalties low and the stress even lower. Look, at the end of the day, you want control over your money, not the IRS. So if you always get a huge refund, you're losing money throughout the year. If you always owe, you might be one IRS letter away from having a financial nightmare. So do me a favor, guys. Take a few minutes, check your withholdings, and obviously keep more of your hard-earned cash. Now, again, guys, tell me in the comments, do you usually owe or do you get a refund? And if this helped you, please smash that like button, subscribe, and share this with someone who still thinks a refund is free money. Have a great day.